Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change your age on TikTok. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it? So first of all, open your TikTok profile and then click on this three-line icon to the upper right hand corner and click on settings and privacy and scroll down. Then click on report a problem and now click on account and profile and now click on editing profile and scroll down, then click on other and now click on need more help. And now here you have to describe your problem. So we are reporting for changing our age on TikTok, so you have to write a clear description here about changing your age, and then you have to click on report and hope you will get change your age from TikTok. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it? Thanks for watching this video.